Okay. Am I audible? Please confirm this. Then we will go ahead. Okay. Thank you. Uh, okay. Uh, so yesterday, what was the issue? I think it was coming from OpenAI, right? Let's um Python. What's that? App.py. Mm, let's check it out. Why that happened. Okay. It's taking some time. Let's wait for a few minutes. Okay, okay. It started. Our API key got loaded and our PDF file is loading now. And yeah, I think it was breaking here. Embedding created successfully. Okay, so it was breaking while creating the embedding. Says this project does not have access to the embedding model, right? So, okay, there are two ways. One is to use the Lambda. Basically, we have to download the Lambda application, and in that we have to pull our LLM model. But that is a very that will kind of put a very heavy load on our system. So we are not going to use that. We are going to use something known as Groq. So we are going to use Groq, which is providing free API keys, like free models to use, and we will see how to do that. Okay. So for that, there are few things. Okay, and there are few things like first. Okay, so we have to change this model. uh, so if we are changing this chat model, like this LLM model which we have defined here, then we have to change this embedding as well, because this is OpenAI embedding that we are using. So we have to we have to change both of them. So for this, let's use something else which is known as Hugging Face. So uh, we will use a mini version L6 or sentence transformer model, which will help us like create the embedding of our document file. So uh, okay, now let's just install our like Hugging Face embedding. Okay, now let's pick install LangChain. Let's go. What was that? Okay, so it got installed, and apart from that, we need Groq, right? So for Groq, we need LangChain Groq. So let's install that as well. LangChain Groq. Okay, let's install this as well. Okay, it got installed, and let's okay. So now these two got installed, but we need this API key of Groq model, right? So first just uh, let's just have our API key. Okay, this is free of cost, so you can create how many you want. So let's create this. This is going to be LangChain underscore project. Okay, no expiry. Let's submit it. Okay, this is our API key, which is provided by Groq. Now click on done, and we have this LangChain API key. Uh, Now let's replace it here, and okay, now change this to Chiaro pin. Okay, okay, cool. Okay, so first of all, we have to change here the Groq. Okay, Groq API key we are going to use, so we will use Groq here. Now we will change the embedding model as well. So we are going to use um, something called Hugging Face embedding. So let's import that as well. Hugging Face okay. So it is suggesting correct. We don't. So model name is this. Model core is not this. Let's remove this out. Okay, I think we are good here. Okay, it is asking to import. Let's quickly import this. Okay, it got imported, I guess. Okay, it got imported. So let's remove this import. We don't need this, and we have to remove, like we have to change our chat API LLM model as well. So for that, we are going to use chat Groq. Okay, our LLM, like sorry, our model is going to be llama. So there is two way. One way is this, to use llama. Okay, which model we should use? Okay, let's go for the instant one. That is little quick. Okay, now I think that's instant. Okay, so okay, now temperature we will put 0. Okay, now it is asking to import. Let's import this as well. um okay, let's add this import. Okay, we are good with this. Let's remove this. Okay. um okay, anything else? I don't think I think we are good. Let's let's rerun our project again and see what happens. Okay, our API key got loaded successfully. PDF file is loading now. Okay, chunks are created. It is creating embeddings. Okay, it means the HF is working very fine. Okay, embedding is created. Now it is creating the vector store, and it will store the uh, like embeddings there. Okay, so it is vector store is got created and then it is ready to answer. Okay, let's ask uh, what is Python. Okay, so we got this response. Okay, I think it is running very fine. Okay, बहुत अच्छे से रन कर रहा है. We got the answer. Python is a high level language, general purpose programming, whatever, blah blah blah, whatever data we has in this Python nodes, it's given that as response. Okay, so this Python notes PDF, you can replace it with anything, any PDF, like you know like a PDF which has your company's data or something like that. Okay, so you can remove that, replace that with this Python notes.pdf file. And let's ask something else. I hope what is loop in Python? Let's ask another question. Okay, okay, see, it's explaining everything. How many kind of, like how many types of loops are there. Okay, uh, so okay, so what is Python, we have asked, then it has replied this, and then okay, then we asked what is loop in Python here. So it is replying key. Uh, in Python, loop is controlled structure that allows you to execute a block of code repeatedly for a specified number of times or until a certain condition is met. So it is responding correctly. So okay, so this is it, guys. This is it from this session. I think we would have covered yesterday only, but I wanted not to stress too much. So this is done. Any question, any doubt you can ask. Otherwise, we will end this session. Uh, we are done, and we are like these sessions are recorded. So like I have shared some of the videos, and I will share this video as well with the team, and they will reach you out. Like they will share all the videos and all the assignments to you guys with like by tomorrow. And yep, after completing the assignments, you all will get your certificates. Any question if you have, you can ask. Otherwise, we will end this session. And yep, any question, guys? Okay, cool. Okay, I think most of you have my WhatsApp number, so you can reach me out there if you have any problem in like doing assignment, or if you stuck anywhere. So you can reach me out on WhatsApp. And what what to say? Okay, like this is end of our course, and hopefully like you people would have learned something. uh, ठीक है, किसी को कोई डाउट हो तो पूछो, अदरवाइज we will end this session and yeah, you will get your assignment soon, like by tomorrow. Okay, cool. ठीक है, let's end this session and so like we are done with this course and okay, so finally let's say goodbye to you all, so you all can leave the class. Okay, one by one. uh, this is the end of this course, guys. Okay, chalo, thank you, bye bye.